Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about top 3 ways to remove duplicates in SQL. So let's get started. The very first method is using distinct keyword. The distinct keyword is used to return only distinct or different values. When querying a table, it can be used to eliminate duplicate rows in the result set. The second method is using row number with a common table expression. The row number function assigns a unique number to each row within a partition of a result set. This method involves using a CTE to identify duplicates and then deleting them based on the assigned row numbers. The third and the last method is using group by clause. The group by clause groups rows that have the same values into summary rows. It is often used with aggregate functions like count, sum, and average function, and it can also be used to eliminate duplicates. Let's understand with the help of an example. So here is the sample input table that we have. The name of the table is sample data. It has 3 columns: name, age, and city. And from the table we can clearly see that the row number 1 and the row number 3 are duplicate rows, because the columns name, age, and city are same for both these rows. That being said, the name is Jersey, age is 30, and the city is New York. Similarly, the row number 2 and row number 5 are exactly the same, with the name Kimmy, age 25, and the city Los Angeles. So, we would like to remove the duplicates in our sample output table. So, this is how our sample output table would look like. It will be having the 3 columns, just like the sample input table, and the duplicates will be removed. So now we will write the SQL query in MySQL Workbench using the methods that we already discussed earlier, and then we will understand it in a better way. So let's dive in. This is how the interface of MySQL Workbench looks like. I have already imported my sample data table, so I'll quickly write a query in my table here. My table name is sample data. So this is the table that we were discussing about. That being said, that we have the sample input table here. Now I'll write the queries using the method that we have already discussed to remove the duplicates. So my first method was using distinct keyword. So this distinct keyword. So select distinct. Since I want all my columns to be there in my output, so I just wrote star from my table name, which is nothing but sample data. So I'll just run the query and see the output. So here I saw that the duplicates have been removed. So this was my first method. Now the second method was using row number. Using row number. So in this method, what we will do is we will write a common table expression and a CTE named, let's say, rank data or anything. And we'll assign unique number to each row within each group of duplicate rows, partitioned by columns like name, age, and city. And this row number function assign a unique sequential number within each partition. And then in the final selection, we will write a query to retrieve only those rows ranked from that CTE where the row number will be 1, and it will give us only the first occurrences of each set of duplicates and eliminating any subsequent duplicates. So this method will ensure us that we will only get the distinct rows based on the combination of name, age, and city in the result set. So let's write the CTE here. So I'll start my CTE. I'm just giving my CTE name as ranked data. So this is my CTE name. and the columns I'll write here: name, age, city, and I want to assign a row number based on them. Row number over partition by name, age, and city. And this I can just write it as row num. Next, I want it from my sample data table. So this is the CTE I have written. I'll just close the CTE here, or you can close it here. Sorry. Yeah. So now I'll just retrieve the columns that I want: name, age, and city. This is I want it from my CTE, so I'm writing my CTE name here. And where, so I'll just write my condition that my row number should be 1. Row number should only be 1. So this will give me, so you can see that this has given us the desired output of eliminating all the duplicates. Just a second, I'll simply shift it downwards. Sorry guys, don't know what's happening here. Okay, so our CTE, this query is visible. So now I'll help you understand what we exactly did here is we have created a common table expression or a CTE named ranked data. In there we have used row number function over partition by name, age, and city, so that it assigns a unique row number to each row within each group of duplicates, partition by name, age, and city. And that number will be a separate column here, and that name of the separate column is row number. So this is the CTE I wrote, and this the result of the CTE will give us 4 columns: name, age, city, and the row number. Now I only want the records where row number is 1. So I have simply extracted these columns: name, age, and city from my CTE, which I actually mentioned earlier, and where row number is equal to 1. So it will filter the rows to keep only those rows with row number equal to 1. Okay. So I hope this solution is also clear to you. So my next method was using group by. Sorry, I'll just end this query with a semicolon to write my next query. So my third method was using group by clause. So in this method, what I'll do is I'll simply group the rows based on the unique combinations of name, age, and city, and then I can quickly retrieve the columns. So this is again very easy. So select from my table name is sample data, and I want to, so whatever the columns I want to retrieve here is name, age, and city, and I'll simply do group by name, age, and city. Very simple. So this query will give us again those rows without duplicates. So it has removed duplicates. So that's all for this video, guys. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you.